As we've all seen, the wildfires in Los Angeles, they have been devastating to the city and the people living there. And our hearts go out to those who've been affected. And I would like to show my full support to the people on the front lines, firefighters, and everyone who's trying to help in any way possible. As some of you probably know, this channel is focused on government contracting. So I just wanted to see what I can help, and I think what I could do is I could show small businesses and people who are in this space how they can do their part and partner with government agencies on a federal, local, and state level to see how small businesses can help with the relief and also in the future, in the near future, with rebuilding the city of Los Angeles. So I'm gonna get into it and show you how you can find opportunities to partner with government agencies to make this whole situation better. So the first website that you can find government opportunities that would help is sam.gov, and this website would have all the federal government opportunities that you as a small business can partner with the government in to do these tasks on all kind of categories. It could be construction, it could be emergency relief, anything you can, whatever your business is in, you probably can find opportunities here. So what you want to do is you want to come click on search and then select contract opportunities as domain. You can use the keyword search here. I'm gonna try and search for words. So one thing you can search for is emergency. Another, it could be disaster relief, and also you can search for fire. Just keywords that would allow you to find opportunities that are needed right now by federal agencies. Another way you can filter for these opportunities that are relevant to emergencies is you could filter by federal organization. You can come here and select FEMA, which is the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Obviously, filter one at a time. So we used the keyword search. Now you can filter by federal organizations. Another agency could be the Homeland Security, so Department of Homeland Security, and then you could also do the Department of Defense. I'm just going to type defense. Department of Defense. So here you can go and look for opportunities that are relevant. You can filter by place of performance. So you can come here and select the state to be California. This way we're filtering down to what's happening in California. Um, one more way you can filter to find disaster relief or emergency contracts that you can partner with the government on. You can come here and select product or service information, and then in next code you can choose one of the following codes. You have code 624230, and that's for emergency and relief services. Obviously, just like I always say, just select one at a time, one filter at a time. And right now we're doing next code. Next code, you can think of it as industry codes. So each one of the industries would have its own specific code. And as I've shown you, you can select this specific code for emergencies and relief services. And then there's also one more that I think is relevant, which is 561210. And this one is for facility support services. I would assume there's a lot of work that has to be done for facility support services. And then so that's then you can go through each one of these contract opportunities, and then you can view it and obviously place a bid on it, and hopefully you'd be part in helping out those people in California. And then another way you can find these opportunities is you can go and find it on the state level. I'll have the websites in the description, but this is the website for procurement for the state of California. What you can do is you can come here and select and search by name. So what I've done here is I've come here and selected emergency, and in search I found 15 opportunities related to emergency. Another way you can filter to find emergency relief procurement opportunities is you can come and select the state of California emergency, and they have code 0001. I'm gonna select it right now, and then you can search and find these opportunities. Also, you can view them one by one and if your business qualifies, then you can place a bid. And finally, on the local level, which is the County of Los Angeles, they have their own website for procurement as well. I'll have it in the description. What you can do is you can come here and select the NAICS code, the same one we chose for the on the federal level, which is 624230. And that's for emergency and other relief services. We can come here and select that. A few opportunities active for that. What you could do instead of choosing the NAICS code, you can come here and select in the title. You can type things like fire since it's relevant. You can also, as you can see here, there's one posted just yesterday, I think, for wildfire monitoring equipment. What you could also do is just type in emergency and you'll find more opportunities. I hope this was helpful, and hopefully one of your businesses would have a hand in rebuilding the city of Los Angeles in the future. In the meantime, just help in any way possible just to stop the wildfires. I hope this was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.